Hello, this is Peter from Ultra Journeys. Welcome to my gear review series for the Winter 2021 Trans Uttarakhand, 2000 kilometers across 3 months over some 110 mid-level passes. Today I want to talk about one of the more important gears, basically the sleeping bag, or in this case the Bluebolt solo quilt, which is very important obviously, especially in winter, to keep you warm and keep you safe in very cold and extreme climate. I used Bluebolt last year also in 2019 in the summer mission across 120 high passes, a -4 rated first generation Bluebolt quilt, which really kept me warm even at pretty extreme conditions, like remember sleeping at 4,900 meters at the base of Stokkangri in icy rain in a small BV. The -4 Bluebolt quilt did an amazing job. I slept in the open without any tent or BV on top of the Kangla glacier at 5,000 meters. It kept me again very warm. I would say if you take into account my rule number 1, you cut out the wind and you can actually sleep in the open even without a tent or BV in these warm quilts. For this winter I took a slightly bigger one, the -12 rated solo BV. Even at -12, very warm and comfy, heavily stuffed quilt. It's only 950 grams, so pretty light. The -4 comes just at 650 grams. This is the 4th generation. It's further optimized by Josefa from Bluebolt. It's very warm and comfy again. Tested it on very exposed places like the Chandra Shila peak in midwinter at 3,700 meters. An exposed peak like this with a freezing wind. The peak was covered with frozen ice. I pitched up my Bluebolt solo tent and instantly you could actually see the frost appearing on the tent sheet, pointing to easily -10, -20 degrees Celsius. It was extremely cold there, but still, as soon as you get into this baby, you're entering in a totally different world. You get cut off from the extreme weather elements, and it's really warm if you, of course, close the entire quilt around you. So a quilt is a little different than a sleeping bag. It's open on the base, so obviously you need a good thick sleeping pad to go along with it. The concept of a sleeping bag actually is not really scientific, in the sense that if you close it at the base and you sleep on the base, as you compress the material, the thermal properties are lost. So a quilt uses that, basically not to put anything underneath you, as it's anyway inefficient. So that way you save material and you make it lighter. So this 4th generation quilt has an elastic strap around the open cover, which will basically nicely wrap around your body. You can even keep your head inside and you will instantly feel that the heat, the body heat, is trapped, which is the main purpose of the quilt. The outer shell is pretty durable. It's water repellent, so even if there is some condensation in the tent or some water that comes onto it, it will not get into the material and not lose its thermal properties. You get a very spacious and well-packed food compartment, which keeps especially the feet, which are usually cold at night, as you walk through snow and wet conditions. Keeps the feet very warm. Always slept inside this -12 quilt in my shorts, my t-shirts, again at pretty extreme conditions, midwinter, pretty high altitude, close to 4,000 meters, and it really kept me warm. Highly recommended. You can choose from 4 temperature ratings on blueboltgear.com. Summer, winter, spring, depending on the altitude you go. Take the right one. The thermal rating versus weight ratio is really fantastic. -4 at 650, -12 at 950. You will not find too many I mean, other brands like this with the same lightweight versus warm ratio. That's it for sleeping materials.